Hi everyone, this is Youleidy Vega, product marketing specialist here at VoIP Supply. And today we are going to be unboxing the Algo 8180G2, which is a SIP alerter, or it's an indoor speaker that can be used in applications such as classrooms, warehouses, factories, or anywhere where you would need an IP paging system for emergency notification purposes, perhaps, or loud ringing, or things of the like. So let's get to unboxing the Algo 8180G2. Okay, so let's unbox the Algo 8180 SIP Audio Alerter G2 version. So in the box, we have the unit itself as an indicator light down below, the speaker. The back of the unit has the configuration buttons and the network jack. So the Algo 8180G2, it has an upgraded hardware capable of running the latest security and encryption standards, including TLS and SRTP. As you can see here, it says G2 in the back of the unit. The G2 release now runs on a new hardware platform. So note that the firmware files are different compared to the original 8180. An original 8180 can therefore not use the GT firmware. So also included in the box is the wall mount with a screwdriver. So you would attach this to the unit and then mount it on the wall. And it also has the quick start guide. So this is what's included in the box for the Algo 8180. Now let's hook it up to the Poly VVX 600 and test it out. So at this point, the Algo 8180 is plugged into the network, and it is also configured into the Poly VVX 600 IP phone. So we are going to be testing out a couple of features. First, let's try the paging feature, which is basically an extension that we set up to the device from the phone. Hello, VoIP Supply. So it's really cool and simple to use. The Algo 8180G2 can be integrated with any number and models of Algo speakers, strobes, and/or paging adapters using multicast for a complete paging system. Now, another cool feature that we can do with the Algo 8180, it's a ringing or an alert notification. So let's try that. All right. So as you can see, once it's configured, it's really simple to use, and even configuring the unit is super simple as well. So we just finished going over a couple of the key features that the Algo 8180 has to offer, like the paging feature and also the alerting or notification feature of it. But the Algo 8180 really has so much more to offer. It's really a cool product to have and use. Some of the key things to point out is that the 8180 is PoE capable, doesn't require an amplifier. It is also compatible with leading UC vendors, and it is also wideband compatible, supports HD voice. Another cool thing that the Algo has to offer is something that I think is kind of unique to Algo, is that with a click of a button, you're able to tell what your IP address is versus having to go into the GUI to find out what your IP address is, which I think is useful and saves a lot of time. So let me show you how that works. You literally just push a button in the back of the unit.
IP address is 10.2.
And it reads your IP address out loud for you. So the Algo 8180 is available for purchase on our website, www.voicesupply.com. This has been Youleidy Vega. Thank you for watching our unboxing video. Till next time.